The Bombay Manifesto signed opposed the preaching of socialist idea, so that is true. The Bombay Manifesto, and that was in 1936, openly opposed the idea, opposed the socialist idea. Its support from a large section of business community, so that is not true. It was not supported from of large community. What is the following known as the Swadeshi movement? So Swadeshi movement was in the partition of Bengal, and Swadeshi was which was opposed the British decision. It opposed the British. Real motive was the partitioning the India. Real motive was partition. Lord Curzon Viceroy was dethroned the Calcutta. Lord Curzon. Lord Curzon was in the Calcutta. From its position from which the Congress party manipulated Bengal, indeed whole of the India. So now, by the regulation of the 1793, district collector was deprived of his judicial power and made the Lord Cornwallis was alarming and extent power concentrated in the district collector. So Cornwallis was alarming, and he was talking about the concentration of the district collector and felt that such absolute power undesirable in one person. He felt that डीएम की जो पावर है this is undesirable in a single person. So that's why Cornwallis also made a revenue department and judicial and magistrate power. Cornwallis rightly believed that concentration of all the powers of the collector in the district regarded as imperialism. How could the collector acting as a judge? So there was a Diwani Adalat, and wrongdone of collectors. So thus neither the landlords nor the cultivator would regard the collector as an impartial judge. So a new class of officer called the district judge. New class of the officer they call the district judge, created or to preside over the district civil court. So this is the district judge was also given the management and the police function. Mahatma Gandhi said that some of the deepest conviction were reflected book Unto This Last. Unto This Last. This book was written by the Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, and the good individual is contained in the good of all. Good individual contains good of all. So it was the magic spell. The magic spell. John Ruskin was a thinker who was the most powerful source of the inspiration, and it was the inspiration. Good of individual is contained welfare of all. With reference to the period of Indian freedom struggle, which of the following has a Nehru report? Nehru report. Complete independence, that is not true. Joint electorate. Joint electorate. Reservation of minority. Reservation of minorities. Provision of fundamental right for a people. For people of India. Fundamental right for people of India. And complete independence is not given. Complete independence, that was not in that. The tendency of increased litigation was visible. The Lord Cornwallis, the reason for this. So land settlement जो था, land settlement, and there was a large number of the convention, large number of the uh, litigations. So litigations was in the large number. That's why making the East India Company as overlord of the जमींदार, because ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी में क्या हुआ था, ओवरलॉर्ड ऑफ जमींदार. क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट. क्विट इंडिया movement. Quit India movement was, it did not attract the labor class in general, so that is not true. It also attracted labor class. Quit India movement was okay. Now home rule, home charges. होम चार्जेस क्या क्या होते हैं, तो फंड यूज सपोर्ट ऑफ द इंडियन ऑफिसर्स, फंड फॉर ऑफिसर्स के वाला फंड, ठीक है. देन पे एंड सैलरी एंड पेंशन, पे सैलरी पेंशन ऑफ द ऑफिसर्स. एंड थर्ड वाज द फंड वेजिंग आउटसाइड इंडिया, वेजिंग वार्स आउटसाइड इंडिया. इंडिया के बाहर जितने भी वार्स होते थे उस पर भी फंड दिया जाता था. What was the purpose with Sir William Wedderburn and the Kenny had set up the Indian Parliamentary Committee to agite for Indian political reform in the House of Commons? So agitate Indian political reforms in House of Commons, in House of Commons, in House of Commons. तो हाउस ऑफ कॉमन्स में क्या हो रहा है, तो यहाँ पे है पॉलिटिकल रिफॉर्म्स, पॉलिटिकल रिफॉर्म्स इन हाउस ऑफ कॉमन. दैट वाज द विलियम वेडरबर्न and William Kenny both set up the parliamentary committee. Okay, now next one is what was the Mahatma Gandhi to organize Satyagrah on behalf of peasant of Kheda? So the administration did not suspend land revenue collection in spite of drought, and the administration proposed to introduce permanent settlement. That is not given by Mahatma Gandhi. तो परमानेंट सेटलमेंट की तो इन्होंने कहीं बात ही नहीं की थी, ठीक है. सो दैट वाज नॉट गिवन. बट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन डिड नॉट सस्पेंड द लैंड रेवेन्यू कलेक्शन इन स्पाइट ऑफ ड्रॉट था, फिर भी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ने लैंड कलेक्शन लेना बंद नहीं किया था. इसीलिए गांधी जी ने क्या स्टार्ट किया, सत्याग्रह. गांधी जी स्टार्टेड द सत्याग्रह. Only the spiritual head of the struggle. Gandhi was a chief lieutenant Sardar. He was a chief lieutenant of the Patel, Sardar Patel, and organized in all different ethnic and caste community Kheda, and it was organized in the Kheda. and peasant of Kheda sign a petition. They sign a petition, and for the text for a year and scraped of the during the famine. With reference to the following freedom, Usha Mehta. So Usha Mehta running the secret Congress radio, Wake of the Quit India movement, Wake of the Quit India movement. Okay, so Usha Mehta was in the underground radio, and this also called the secret Congress recorded message to the Gandhi. Rowlatt Act क्या था? Rowlatt Act imprisonment without trial and summary procedure for the trial. Imprisonment without trial and summary without trial. So sedition, it was for the seditious activity, and that was sedition committee was there, and unpopular legislation provided for the stricter control of the place, and arrest without warrant. So it was without warrant. They were arrest without warrant, indefinite period for the indefinite period. The Lahore session was resolution demanding complete independence. Lahore session में क्या था? They were demanding independence, complete independence, and the rift between extremists and moderate was resolved. The Lahore session में ये resolved नहीं हुआ था. It was not resolved, and a resolution was passed rejected the two nation theory. The two nation theory जो थी, it was rejected. ऐसा भी कुछ भी नहीं है, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पर क्या था? लाहौर सेशन was in Lahore under the presidency of the Nehru passed the पूर्ण स्वराज, the goal of Indian national movement में, ठीक है. पूर्ण स्वराज का क्या था? गोल था पूर्ण स्वराज, and that was in the Lahore session. The next one is the assessment of the land revenue. The assessment of the land revenue basis of the nature of soil and the quality of the crop. That is not true. Use of the mobile cannon in the warfare. तो इंडियन जो थे what introduced into India by the English. तो what English introduced in India, एंड ये तो पहले ही था लैंड रेवेन्यू वाला. फिर था कि वारफेयर में जो कैनन यूज में लेते हैं, दैट इज ऑल्सो रॉन्ग. नाउ कल्टिवेशन ऑफ द टोबैको एंड रेड चिली, दैट इज ऑल्सो रॉन्ग. ओके, so this was the assessment of the land revenue and soil quality, and the introduction of the power cultivation of the tobacco and red chilies. Okay, and cannon in the warfare. Next is, which is the following Government of India Act 1919. So first, introduction of the diarchy at the government of the provinces में diarchy. Introduction of the separate communal electorate for Muslim, that is not true. Devolution of legislative authority by center to the province, and devolution of the authority है, ठीक है. But introduction of separate communal electorate in 1919, that is not given, and that was not to the Muslim. So Montesquieu Chelmsford is the executive government of the province and the devolved to the legislative authority. and but the separate communal electorate was introduced in 1909. The Congress ministers resigned in the 7 provinces. क्यों रिजाइन किया था? तो कांग्रेस मिनिस्टर्स ने क्या किया? सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर में बिना बताए हुए वायसराय ने यूनिलेटरली इंक्लूडेड इंडिया। उसने क्या किया कि unilaterally he introduced the India. He introduced the India, and that was India leader of provincial government. He also rejected many Congress referred to the full cooperation, and it was toward the Indian independence. Next one is during Indian freedom struggle, National Social Conference was formed. So Social Conference National Social Conference was Indian National Conference did not want to include the social reform in its deliberation and decided to form a separate body of the such purpose. So Indian National Congress does not want to include the social reform. So social reform they don't want it to be included, but in the deliberation and they decided to form a separate body of the such purpose. So the first of the second statement is correct. Congress platform should be devoted to the political topics only, and so it was decided to the national conference. Ranade assisted the Raghunath Rao, and together they founded the National Social Conference, with their first session in 1887 in Ranade. That supported the Raghunath Rao. Raghunath Rao. Now, which is the B.R. Ambedkar established? So the Peasant and Worker Party of the India. So that was B.R. Ambedkar. B.R. Ambedkar. He established the Peasant Party. That is not true. All India Scheduled Caste. All India Scheduled Caste. Scheduled Caste Federation. And the Independence Labour Party. Independent Labour Party. So Ambedkar founded the Independent Labour Party. Independent and Labour Party. Scheduled Caste was founded himself. National Convention. Peasant and Worker Party of India was founded the Tulsidas Jadhav Keshav. That was peasant. Mahatma Gandhi fast unto that. Fast unto that. That was fast unto that was Ramsay MacDonald announced the Communal Award. So Ramsay MacDonald announced the Communal Award. So that was the fast unto that. Okay. So it was the declared the fast unto death and to the divide India into communal basis. Divide India into communal basis. With reference to Rayatwadi settlement. So the rent was paid directly by the peasant to government. Rent paid to peasant directly. Government gave pattas to Rayat, and the land were surveyed, assessed by the being taxed. So assessment of the land were also there. The most effective contribution of the Dadabhai Naoroji. First was expose the economical exploitation. Economical exploitation, interpreted the ancient Indian text, restored self-confidence. So interpretation नहीं था, interpretation was not there, but just there's a need of the eradication. Yeah, they interpreted the text भी interpreted किया था. So interpretation of the text and the need of the eradication of the all form of evil and eradication of the all forms of evils. ठीक है, so this is the Tadabai Noroji and published the poverty and British rule in India. Poverty and un-British rule in India. Poverty and un-British rule in India. Now responsible for the starting of Home Rule movement. Home Rule movement. So this Home Rule movement was started during the Annie Besant. Okay, they founded the Theosophical Society. So Theosophical Society was not founded by her, and the President of India National Congress, and she was the President of India of National Congress, first one. Quit India movement, Quit India movement, and this was the proposal launch response of the. It was the response of the Cripps movement. Cripps movement. Response of the Cripps movement. Okay. So it was the negotiate the self-government for India and self-government for India, self-government for India, and that was Quit India movement and Simon Commission report. Simon Commission report that was published in 1930, and after then there was a cabinet report, then Wavell plan, and now cooperation. Ilbert Bill, Ilbert Bill, Ilbert Bill was can remove the disqualification imposed on the Indian magistrate with regard to trial of European. So removal of disqualification imposed on the Indian magistrate with regard to trial of European. The disqualifications जो imposed की गई थी against the trial of English, that was removed. So Ilbert Bill was C.P. Ilbert, and that was the European showed the racist feeling, and European was showing the racist feeling, racist feeling, racist feeling. The demand of the Tebaga peasant movement. So Tebaga movement was a share of landhold from one half to the crop of the one third. So that was a reduction of the rate, and that was the Tebaga movement. It was the Tebaga movement, and that was the implement the flood commission, the Bengal Province Kisan Sabha Flood Commission, and it was harvest the land owner instead of. So there was a Baghdad Act, and sharecropper need to pay one third of the harvest of the land. Now the Simon Commission जो था, there was a against there was no Indian member in the Simon Commission. So Simon Commission was a 7-member body. There was no Indian member, and its commission was came for the constitutional restructuring. So Indian public that the commission to decide the future of India had no Indian members and huge agitation against the commission. Radcliffe Commission delimit the boundaries between India and Pakistan. So Radcliffe Commission, that was the delimit the boundaries of the India and Pakistan, India and Pakistan. Okay. So this was the Radcliffe Commission and it consists of the four members. Next one is the partition of the Bengal made the King George V. Aberden Curzon Act and Royal Darbar Delhi. So King जो George था George इसने क्या किया था and King George that was the abrogated the Curzon Act and Royal Darbar. He abrogated the Royal Darbar. Royal Darbar. Okay, so that was all about. Next, partition of the Bengal was announced, and that was the king connotation of the George visited. And during this Darbar, it was decided to transfer the capital of British India, Calcutta, to Delhi, and hope that it would restore the peace and the spirit. Now, session of the Indian National Congress was history of the freedom movement. Indian National Congress, National कांग्रेस का जो सेशन हुआ था, ठीक है, 1929 में, इट वाज मतलब दे वांटेड पूर्ण स्वराज. इट वाज लाहौर सेशन. Okay, so the Lahore session complete independence. They wanted the complete independence now. And this is to commemorate the date of the Constitution of India formally adopted 26 January 1950 through it being passed 26 November and 1949. Okay. The Gadar was what? So Gadar and Gadar was a revolutionary association headquarters San Francisco. Revolutionary association and its headquarters is the San Francisco. San Francisco. Now what are the object of Queen Victoria Proclamation? So Victoria, they regulate the East India Company trade with India. That is not true. So Victoria Queen in 1858, she said disclaimed the intention of the annexed Indian state and placed the Indian administration under the British Crown to regulate the East India Company trade. That was not in that time. East India Company का trade तो यहाँ पर ही unregulated कर दिया गया था. So with reference to Rowlatt Satyagraha, which of the following was correct? And Rowlatt Satyagraha, it was based on the sedition committee. So it was based on the sedition committee. Okay, committee was there. And Satyagraha was Gandhiji tried to utilize the Home Rule League, and there was a Home Rule and a league. Okay, Home Rule League. And demonstration against the arrival of the Simon, that was not in that. Arrival of Simon, so that was not in that. So Gandhiji called the national-wide protest, and but soon having a constitutional protest that failed, Satyagraha Sabha was robbed. So there was a Satyagraha and Sabha also, and known as the commission go into the question further constitutional reform. Who is the following has the economic critic of the colonialism in India? So that was Dadabhai Naoroji, and R.C. Dutt, and the G. Subramaniam Iyer. Subramaniam and Iyer. All of three were important. Okay, so this is the most of which developed the first generation nationalist, and Dadabhai Naoroji, R.C. Dutt, Ranade. Here is a Ranade and Gokhale. The fashioning the world first economic critics and trained the they given the drain theory. They given the drain theory. Okay, and that was in 1867. Economic History of India, and the book was Economic History of India. History of India. It was written by the R.C. Dutt. It was written by the R.C. Dutt. development of the economic life of the country planned to the monopoly of the foreign trade. So it adopted the principle redistribution of the land. It adopted the redistribution of the land, and it is the carrying out the movement achievement of independence and the socialism independence, an instrument of the production, distribution and exchange. Distribution, production and exchange. The following of the SALT law. SALT law was organized in the Tanjore post. That was the C. Rajgopalachari. C. Rajgopalachari. So he was cleared the Gandhi as a like ritual at the Dandi. Dandi में गांधी जी ने ritual किया, and the SALT law defines the SALT law, and Tamil Nadu Tanjore Sri Rajgopalachari and Tirunchipalli was also Vedraniyam, and Malabar coast में K. Kallapam, Malabar में K. Kallapam, and Calicut and Assam, and Satyagrahi was the Silhat to the Noakhali, Bengal. Now the first woman president of the India was Annie Besant. She was Annie Besant, Indian Congress president first. And the first Muslim president was Badruddin Tayebji. The first Muslim was Badruddin Tayebji. So it was the Annie Besant. She was the Irish origin. And few of the non-Indian who played the significant freedom movement. And Tayebji was to serve as the third Indian first Muslim president. Government of India Act was clearly defining the jurisdiction of the central and provincial government. So that was the Government of India Act. Government of India Act 1919, and it was defining the jurisdiction of the central and provincial government. Central plus provincial गवर्नमेंट की jurisdiction बताई थी इन्होंने, ठीक है. The next one is the Montesquieu-Chelmsford reform of the government. Edwin Montesquieu, secretary, and the Chelmsford viceroy produced the scheme constitutional reform. So constitutional reforms. That was from the Montesquieu and Chelmsford. Okay, known as this Government of India Act 1919, and it was the clarified the jurisdiction of the provinces, jurisdiction of the central provinces, which is the cabinet mission. Cabinet mission. It's recommend the federal government. So it was recommend the federal government. It analyzed the power of Indian courts. तो courts की power cabinet से नहीं बढ़ा था. And it provided for more Indians for ICS. ये भी इसने नहीं किया था, ठीक है. So the mission was the 3-week discussed with leader of the various political party. Cabinet mission proposed the Union India, empowered the deal with the defense, foreign affairs, communication. Cabinet mission was recommended in undivided India and turned to the Muslim League demand for the separate Pakistan. So they turned down the demand of the separate Pakistan. Cabinet mission restricted the communal representation. So it restricted the communal representation, and that was the federal plan is to maintain national unity and the autonomy. He wanted to maintain the unity and autonomy. And defense, external affair and the communication Indian state, while Now, no power of judiciary was discussed, but in ICS 1944 that was established. Which of the following was the movement was contributed split of Indian National Congress, resulting in the emergence of the moderate and extremists? That was the Swadeshi movement, and there was two. First was the moderates and extremist. The two things was there, and that was in the 1907 Surat split. Surat split was there. Now the Satyashodak Samaj, an anti-caste movement of Maharashtra. Satyashodak, and it was the anti-caste movement in the महाराष्ट्र में हुआ था एंटी कास्ट मूवमेंट. Montesquieu Chelmsford proposed the related to the constitutional reform. So Montesquieu and Chelmsford reform, and that was for the constitutional and reforms. It all for the constitutional reforms. Okay, and that was the diarchy was introduced in the provinces. So diarchy was introduced in the provinces, and bicameral. He talked about the bicameral, and now it was acted for the establishment of Public Service Commission in India. Now next one is the following of the Keshav Chandra Sen, Keshav Chandra and Sen. Keshav Chandra Sen. So it was the Calcutta Unitarian Committee. He established the Calcutta Unitarian Committee. So that is not true. The tabernacle of the new dispensation, the tabernacle of the new dispensation, and the Indian Reform Association. Indian Reform Association. So it was the Keshav Chandra Sen, and the foundation stone of the called the tabernacle in new dispersion, and the Keshav Sen was the followed the march to the proposal, and Indian Reform Association was from the Keshav Chandra Sen, and the Brahma Samaj, and included many who did not belong to the Brahma Samaj. The objective was put into the practice. Some idea of the same was exposed during the Great Britain and Calcutta, and established the Raja Ram Mohan Roy and Dwarkanath Tagore, William Adams. Now next, what are the split? इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस इन द सूरत. अब सूरत में क्या हुआ था? 1909 7 मॉडरेट बिलीव द पॉलिसी ऑफ द सेटलमेंट. तो मॉडरेट वाज बिलीविंग इन द सेटलमेंट the minor issue with the deliberations. Okay, and extremists believe the agitation, and extremist believe in the agitation. Lokmanya Tilak agitated against the moderate behavior of Congress. This led to the split into the Surat. So Lokmanya Tilak, he agitated. Sir Stafford Cripps was advises that after Second World War, India should be given the Dominion status. So Cripps was talking about the India will given the Dominion status. So this was Stafford Cripps was the senior left-wing party, and that was Winston Churchill के समय आया था. During the Churchill, and Cripps was worked to keep India loyal toward the British. They wanted they should be loyal to British, and give Dominion status for the election. The Swadeshi and the boycott, and it was in the agitation against the partition of the Bengal. So first was the Swadeshi, and then was the boycott. And during the Bengal, okay, partition of the Bengal. So Swadeshi were started to the oppose the partition. Idea of the boycott, Rabindranath and Tagore. So Rabindranath Tagore and the Ramendra called for the Raksha Bandhan, and they was calling for the Raksha Bandhan, and the day of partition. Swadeshi means own country, and Swaraj means Lala Lajpat Rai, Bipin Chandra Pal, and the Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Lal Bal Pal. Three person was should goods produced within the country only. They was talking like goods produced within the country only. Object of the Butler Committee. Object of the Butler Committee. So Butler Committee in 1927, that was improve the relationship between Government of India and the Indian state. Government of India plus Indian states. So what they want the relationship to be improved. So that was the state handed over to the Indian government responsible. This is done with the consent of the state and the obligation adopting defining according to the shifting necessity and time of the progress of the development of the state. Now Radha Krishnan, Radha Radhakant Dev, first president of the British India Association. So Radhakant Dev, that was the first president. That was the first president of the Indian Association. Gujulu Lakshmi Marasu was founder of the Madras. That is not true. Surendranath Banerjee was the founder of the Indian Association. And Surendranath Banerjee, he was the founder of the Indian Association. Indian Association. And Radhakant Dev, that was the British Indian Association. Okay, so this two Hindu patriot and strongly critical political tone of the Harishchandra Mukherjee. Now next one is who is the following were associated with the introduction of the Rayatwadi settlement. So ये रैयतवाड़ी सेटलमेंट यहाँ कौन कौन थे? फर्स्ट कॉर्नवालिस तो नहीं था. Cornwallis was not there, and there was the Alexander Reed. Alexander Reed. Alexander Reed था, and then the Thomas Munro. Then the Thomas and Munro. Alexander Reed and Thomas Munro. These two persons were there. The Trade Dispute Act. The Trade Dispute Act 1929. A system tribunal and ban the strike. A system of the tribunals and ban the strike ban the strike. Okay, so this is the 1929 registration recognition on receipt and such application for registration. Registrar shall forward a copy of the application to the employee. So there will a registrar, and he will give a copy to the registrar, and that will be the industrial court and the counterplates making the arbitration. Factory Act was passed with a view to fix the wages of industrial worker and to allow the worker to form a trade union. So allow the worker to form a trade union that is not allowed. They never allowed. And Lokhande was a pioneer for the labor movement. So name was the N.M. Lokhande, and he was the pioneer for the labor movement, and movement. Okay. Now next one is with reference to the Indian freedom struggle, consider mutiny of the royal. First was the second round table conference. Second राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस हुई थी सबसे पहले, ठीक है. इट वॉज इन 1931 इन द लंदन. हाँ, उसके बाद हुआ था क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट. क्विट इंडिया एंड मूवमेंट ये हुआ था 1942 में. लास्ट में आई थी म्यूटिनी, म्यूटिनी ऑफ द रॉयल इंडियन नेवी एंड ये आई थी 1946 में. तलवार शिप एंड इन द कराची हिंदुस्तान शिप क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट. तो बॉम्बे ऑन द तलवार शिप एंड द कराची ऑफ द हिंदुस्तान शिप, ये दो थे. नाउ डायरची का मतलब क्या होता है? डायरची मीनिंग डिवीजन ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट डेलीगेटेड टू द प्रोविंस इनटू टू कैटेगरी. इट इज द डिवीजन of the subjects into division of the subjects into two division. That was the meaning of the diarchy. So this is all about, we discussed the questions based on the last modern India